To make a 3D model of teeth, we need 4 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of white flour and red food color. Make a dough with the help of white flour and salt. Add a little water and make a nice dough with it. Then divide that dough into 2 parts, and in one part add a little amount of color and mix it well. So that red color will look like a pink, and that will work for us as a gums. After that, take that dough in a hand and roll it properly. After rolling it properly, place it on nice clean surface. After placing it on a surface, just press that towards the surface so that it will give you a realistic effect like a jaw. Now take a paint brush. As we are making adult's teeth or adult set of teeth, we are going to make holes in the pink dough. We are going to make 16 holes in the jaw. As we are, it can represent as a lower jaw also. So we are making 16 holes for the 16 teeth. After making holes, take a white dough, and now we are going to make the teeth. Okay, so first type of a teeth is incisors. To make incisor teeth, take a small amount of dough, roll it on a palm, and on one side give a cone like a structure or a pointed one so that it will get fixed inside the hole which we have made with the paintbrush, and the other side should be little sharp and edgy. Okay, it should be flat, sharp and edgy. So this will be our incisors teeth. Now place it in that hole and it will fix it over there properly, and it will give you realistic effect. Then like this we will make 4 incisors which help us to bite and cut food. Then after incisors we will make canine. To make canine, it is very easy. What we have to do, take a small amount of dough, roll it on a palm, and then on both the side make a cone like structure. So from the one side it will get fixed into the dough, pink dough, and other side should look like a pointed sharp teeth. So that is a canine which help us to tear the food. So in the lower jaw we have a 2 canines. After that, we'll see how to make premolars. The premolars are broad and they are flat on the upper surface. So to make that, take a small amount of dough, roll it on a palm, and then one side make a cone like structure so that it will get fixed inside that hole, and the upper surface should be little flat. Take a toothpick and press it gently on the dough, so it will give you realistic effect of a premolar teeth. So now here we have a 4 premolar teeth in the lower jaw. Fix it in the pink dough and premolars are ready. Then we'll go to molar. Molar teeth looks like a premolar, but they are more broader than the premolar. So the same process we'll do for a molar, and then we'll fix it everything together, and our 3D model of teeth is ready. I hope it will help you. Like, share and subscribe this video, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.